and welcome to my What I Eat in a Day video. Today, I'm going to show you what I eat. So if you would like to see that, keep watching. If you're thinking, Shannon, you've gone a little nutty, it's because I have, and I'm locked in my house, and I'm fucking losing my mind. Woo! Enjoy the video.
So every day for breakfast, it's something different with me. It just really depends the type of mood I'm in. But this morning, I decided to have a banana and also a yogurt. The one I'm having is so delicious. It is vegan. It's also, this is the blueberry kind that I'm having. It's kind of like a yogurt alternative, but it's really delicious. And then I'm also going to be having my Teamy Wellness Protein Powder Shake. I really like this. It's 17 grams of protein in this shake, and it's all made of organic pea and rice protein. It's chocolate, comes from like the natural chocolate bean. It's infused with white tea leaf also, which is super rich in antioxidants, and it's known for good skin and hair health. It doesn't have any artificial colors or flavors or sweeteners, and it's organic and vegan, so I really like it. It also blends really smoothly. Like you can make a full-on chocolate shake with like whipped cream on top and make it like really tasty and yummy. But I'm just not that fancy. I like to do it more of the lazy girl way, and I'll show you here in a second how I do it. But the ingredients are super clean, and I would highly recommend it. I notice I get a big boost of energy when I drink this, and I'm also just very lazy to make food in the morning, so I like to be able to make this. It's just super easy, and I get all my nutrients, and I feel really good. And I make it, like I said, the lazy way. I just do 8 ounces of water and 1 scoop of the protein powder, and then it's good to go. I don't even put like ice in it or anything. I just drink it at room temperature. Probably most people think that's gross, but I really like it that way. Also, if any of you guys are interested in trying any of the Teamy Wellness protein powder, I will put a link down in the description box below for you guys to check it out. And also, they were nice enough to give us a coupon code for 25% off. And all you have to do is use the code ChannonRose in all caps. Also, I recently got Travis hooked on the protein powder as well, so now he likes to have one, and he actually has one every day. Maybe not always in the morning, but he'll have it like sometime in the day because he really likes all the nutrients that's in it. And you guys know Travis, he's like a total health freak, and so if he drinks it, you know it's like super clean and good for you. So we're actually having the same breakfast this morning, and yeah, that's kind of our breakfast for the day. So for lunch, I decided to make an egg sandwich, or an egg and cheese sandwich, I should say. So I'm just taking some of this Earth Balance butter, throwing it in the pan, and then I'm using a Just Egg. Now, I don't know about you guys, but at the grocery store recently, we don't have a ton of options for things, and so I've never used the Just Egg before. It's basically like a vegan egg. I know it seems like really kind of gross, but it actually tasted pretty good. I was actually really, really surprised. So, I mean, it looks just like if you bought regular eggs in a carton or something. So I'm sure you're wondering what's in it. Here are the ingredients on the back, just so you can, oh my God, I can't speak. You guys can see it. And look at what it looks like. I mean, like I said, super impressed, tasted really good. And then I just took some Dave's bread, which we are rationing bread in our house right now, because the bread is sold out everywhere. But that's okay. We'll be just fine. As you can see, we have plenty of food in our fridge. We are not starving over here. And then I'm taking some Vegenaise and some chow cheese. Again, I don't know if you know this, but this is all vegan. Everything, we're just a plant-based family, so all the food is plant-based or vegan, whatever you want to call it. And this is the cheese that we really like. It's field roast. And that is still available in our grocery store. It was so nice because when we went in, a lot of the vegan food was still available, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. Like, I can't tell you, this is such a good time to be vegan because no one wants the vegan food. Although if they really knew that it tasted pretty good and very similar to regular cheese and eggs and all the things, they probably wouldn't mind it. So we're letting Snow taste it. My mom was giving her some, and Snow approves of the vegan eggs, so she wanted some more. Basically, you just cook it how you normally would on the pan, and then I just threw the bread and the cheese in the toaster just to warm it up a little bit. That cheese melts really well, by the way, but I'm, again, very lazy when it comes to cooking. I just don't have the patience for it. And also, whenever I cook, I'm like starving before I even start cooking. I like wait till I'm super hungry. Does anybody else do that? And so I'm like, okay, I just gotta hurry up and make it. And then I just put a good amount of veganese because your girl likes sauce. And then threw the eggs on, and voila, there you have it. A very yummy vegan egg sandwich. It was delicious, by the way, and I shared it with Snow, and she really liked it too. Okay, so for dinner, I am just having a frozen pizza because this is real life over here. I'm not like going all out and making like full on recipes and stuff. Just because I'm doing a what I eat in a day, I'm trying to be realistic about what I actually eat. So I had a really bad panic attack. I wasn't hungry and I needed to eat something, so I forced myself to eat this. It was actually very good. All vegan, gluten-free, and I dipped it in really yummy vegan ranch dressing. And then I started to feel better later on in the night, and I ended up making one of my favorite desserts, which are Lorna Doone cookies dipped in chocolate, like melted chocolate chips. I just take chocolate chips, I melt them in the microwave, and then I dip them, and then I take the Lorna Doone cookie, I dip it in the melted chocolate chips, and then I let it sit, and they're like my version of a black and white cookie. They're actually really good, and believe it or not, they're vegan. So that's what I ended up having for dessert, and that was kind of everything that I ate in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. I hope you appreciated that I was very real about what I actually ate, and if you want to see more what I eat in a days, let me know down in the comment section, or just give the video a thumbs up. That kind of lets me know that you liked the video and you want to see more like that, because I do eat a lot of different things. Some days I actually cook stuff, and some days I don't. So just depends, like I said, what my mood is. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.